Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abstruse. 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 Abstruse is an adjective used to describe something that is difficult to understand due to its complexity or obscurity. It is often used to refer to ideas, concepts, or writings that require deep thought or specialized knowledge to comprehend. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The professor's lecture on quantum physics was so abstruse that even advanced students found it challenging to follow. Why abstruse is used in example number 1. Abstruse is used to describe the complexity of the professor's lecture, emphasizing that it was difficult to understand. Example number 2. The novel's abstruse symbolism left readers puzzled, sparking discussions on its deeper meanings. Why abstruse is used in example number 2. Abstruse characterizes the symbolism in the novel as challenging to grasp, leading to discussions about its hidden or complex meanings. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.